Are you ready to turn your Snapchat creativity into cash? In 2025, Snapchat is revolutionizing the way creators earn money with its new monetization program. This is your chance to dive into a world of opportunities and transform your passion into profit. Snapchat is merging its Spotlight and Stories monetization efforts, creating a streamlined system that rewards engaging content. If you've been curious about how to make money on Snapchat, now is the perfect time to get started. What's new in Snapchat's monetization program? Launching on February 1st, 2025, Snapchat's updated monetization program introduces several exciting changes. 1. Longer videos for monetization. Spotlight videos must now exceed 1 minute to qualify for earnings. This shift encourages creators to produce longer, more engaging content, just like TikTok. 2. Unified monetization system. Say goodbye to juggling different requirements. With this new program, creators will only need to meet one set of criteria to monetize their content across both Spotlight and Stories. Requirements to earn money on Snapchat. To tap into Snapchat's monetization potential, here's what you need to achieve. 50,000 followers. Start building your audience now. If you haven't reached this milestone yet, focus on growth strategies. 25 posts per month. Consistency is key. Aim to post at least 25 times a month to keep your audience engaged. 10 separate days of posting. Spread your content over at least 10 different days. Don't cram it all into 1 week. Engagement metrics. You'll need to hit one of these benchmarks in the last 28 days. 1 million Spotlight views. 10 million Snap views. 12,000 hours of view time. Strategies to grow your Snapchat audience. Growing your Snapchat following is crucial for monetization. Here are some effective strategies. Capitalize on viral trends. If a video is trending on TikTok or Instagram, adapt it for Snapchat. Leverage existing popularity to attract viewers. Engage your audience. Foster a community by responding to comments, hosting Candace, and making your followers feel included in your journey. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with fellow Snapchat creators to cross-promote each other's content and expand your reach. Tools to simplify content creation. Streamline your content creation process with tools like repurpose.io. This platform allows you to automatically share your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube content on Snapchat, saving you time and effort. Tips for creating viral Spotlight content. Creating viral content is a blend of strategy and creativity. Here are some tips to help your Spotlight videos shine. Stay on top of trends. Monitor what's trending on TikTok and Instagram, and tailor those trends to fit Snapchat style. Craft eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first impression viewers will have. Make it compelling. Tell a story. Audiences love narratives. Incorporate storytelling elements into your videos to captivate viewers. Repurposing content for success. Repurposing is a smart way to grow your Snapchat presence. By sharing your existing TikTok or Instagram videos, you can save time while reaching a new audience on Snapchat. Frequently asked questions about Snapchat monetization. How much can I earn on Snapchat? Earnings can vary widely, but top creators can make thousands of dollars each month. Do I need to post every day? Yes, posting at least 25 times a month is essential for monetization. Can I use repurposed content? Absolutely. Repurposing is an effective strategy to save time and expand your audience. Final thoughts. Get ready for the 2025 monetization launch. Snapchat's new monetization program is a game changer for creators. By meeting the requirements and implementing the right strategies, you can start earning money on the platform. So, what are you waiting for? Begin growing your audience today and prepare to capitalize on this exciting opportunity. Your journey to Snapchat success starts now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.